their 70th birthday, for the guidance on the planning, preparation, and execution. Thank you to my chef, hubby Hector. Where are you, Ben? For the sleepless night cooking the delicious foods. To my kids, Hannah, for putting together today's program and being the MC for today's celebration, for helping me, for the time and effort in practicing the special song she dedicated to her Nana's special day. And to my other daughter, of course, her Ninya, for the hush-hush, keeping the secret and making sure no one mentioned anything about the party. Yes, so that her Nana will not know about it, and for the prayer. She also helped us in putting tablecloth and decorations.
Wow!
Last night.
Good job!
And perfect table, as she said. She's very helpful. Yeah, and Hannah, always there for me, helping out this morning, doing this and doing that. Thank you so much. Yes, you too. To Rickson, for helping with the planning, preparation, and execution, for paying the venues and decorations, for the 70 pieces of roses for Mama's birthday dance, for contacting our siblings and relatives for the video greetings, for being the, how do you call this, the running guy today. He's like going there, picking up this, going to the other side to pick up another thing. It's like, it's multitasking. That's what, okay, multitasking person. I'm being corrected now. To Randall and Malu for the delicious lechon, because as they say, Filipino birthday celebration is not complete without lechon. To Ramsey and Junjun, my sister, for the sleepless nights, staying up late until dawn to put together the beautiful video greetings and pictures. To all my siblings that are not here, Mana Rachel, Manang Rabibi, Rubilin, and Ramsey and their families, to Auntie Elma, Uncle Finley, and Janelle, and to my relatives, Munya and Arman and Tata, for their beautiful and makalingang na video birthday greetings. Thank you also to Kuya Ruel, who is always there. Always there, unending support to my family. He's the grandpa of our kids. My Kuya is, he's very helpful. To Juan, for the yummy cake, there she is. I can attest, it's really yummy. If you need a cake for some special celebration, I would highly recommend her. To Jumalu for putting together the giveaways, the master of all creations and ideas. Rami, very yummy ubi cake roll. She has strawberry deep chocolate. It's very yummy. I think it's all gone now. To Marjorie for the beautiful decorations. I don't think she's still here. Oh, she went. Oh, okay. She has an appointment, but her daughter is here. She was helping her mom putting up the beautiful decorations. She's also, I've known that she's a professional decorator. So if you need a decorator for your special occasions, just contact my brother. But I don't know Marjorie. And last but not the least, to all of you who came here, near and far. This event is not possible without all of you that are here. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, from my family, from Mama, my brothers. Thank you. I can't thank enough for all of you. Thank you so much. I have a full bag of containers for each one of you. Okay? Let the sharing begin.
Woo! Okay.